Good day everyone. Today I'm going to teach you on how to create new quiz in SafeGrade. So just click new quiz, then type the name of the quiz. So let's say Math 3/4 2 quiz 2. Then select the answer sheet that you're going to use. So 30 questions, 6,599. So dapat yan yung ma-print rin natin na answer sheet na gagamitin ng ating kids or ng pupils natin. Then here, select the class that will use the quiz. So for our tutorial, for this tutorial, sa Trinara yung ating pipiliin. Kung gagamitin rin ng other section, pwede rin. Then click save. Then here, we're going to edit the answer key. Ayan. So, pwede kang tumingin sa answer key dun sa quiz mo. Sa pagtitik mo sa mga answer key na to. Ayan. Then, afterwards, click mo lang yung back arrow. Then, here, pwede ka nang mag-scan ng sagot ng kids. Ayan. Kiklik mo lang scan papers. So, wala pa tayong papel na pwedeng ma-scan. So, sa susunod na lang natin na tutorial yung pag-i-scan. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.